Hello everyone and welcome to Collision TV. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Karnataka election results. The Karnataka election results were just announced, and the Indian National Congress has emerged as the clear winner. The INC won 135 seats in the 222-member assembly, while the Bharatiya Janata Party won 66 seats. The Janata Dal won 19 seats. This is a major victory for the INC, as they haven't won a majority in Karnataka since 1989. The BJP, on the other hand, has suffered a major setback. They had been in power in Karnataka for the past 5 years, but they were unable to win a majority this time around. The Karnataka election was held in 2 phases, on May 12 and May 18, 2018. There were a total of 222 seats in the assembly, and a party needed to win 111 seats to form the government. The INC and the BJP were the 2 main contenders, and they were both vying for the support of the JD. The INC ran on a platform of development and social justice. They promised to improve education, healthcare, and infrastructure in Karnataka. The BJP, on the other hand, ran on a platform of Hindutva. They promised to build a Ram temple in Ayodhya and to implement a uniform civil code. The JD was the 3rd main contender in the election. They ran on a platform of regionalism and secularism. They promised to protect the interests of the people of Karnataka and to uphold the secular fabric of the state. The INC won a majority of seats in the Karnataka Assembly, winning 135 seats. The BJP won 66 seats, while the JD won 19 seats. This means that the INC will be able to form the government in Karnataka. The INC's victory is a major setback for the BJP. The BJP had been in power in Karnataka for the past 5 years, but they were unable to win a majority this time around. This is a major blow to the BJP's national ambitions, as Karnataka is a key state in the Hindi heartland. The INC's victory is also a major boost for the regional parties. The JD was able to win a significant number of seats, which shows that there is still a strong demand for regional parties in India. This is a major challenge to the BJP's national ambitions, as the BJP is a national party. There are a number of factors that contributed to the INC's victory in Karnataka. One factor is that the BJP was seen as being out of touch with the needs of the people of Karnataka. The BJP's focus on Hindutva alienated many voters, especially in the southern states of India. Another factor is that the INC ran a very effective campaign. They focused on issues that were important to the people of Karnataka, such as education, healthcare, and jobs. Finally, the INC benefited from the fact that the JD was able to win a significant number of seats. This split the anti-BJP vote and helped the INC to win a majority. The Karnataka election results are a major setback for the BJP. They will need to do some soul-searching if they want to win back the trust of the people of Karnataka. The INC, on the other hand, will be looking to build on their victory and form a stable government in Karnataka. The Karnataka election results are a major victory for the INC and a major setback for the BJP. The INC will be looking to build on their victory and form a stable government in Karnataka. The BJP, on the other hand, will need to do some soul-searching if they want to win back the trust of the people of Karnataka.